I woke up this morning in a Bob Marley song. Not just singing, but it was a song. Rise up this morning, with a face to the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. Could it be true? The less we have, the more we sing. Do we sing more before the ring, before the car, before the house, before the children? Do we sing, don't worry about a thing? It's every little thing, it's gonna be alright. When I didn't have a dime to romance you, I took more time to get it right. Spent hours planning the perfect night. Love poems I would write, hour-long massages by candlelight. But now that I have a little cash in hand, no need to plan. I simply demand that you love me because I'm your man. Melodies pure and true. I want a three little birds kind of love. A melodies pure and true kind of love. A spend each moment with you kind of love. You might think I'm crazy. Fact is, it may be true, but baby, I want a Bob Marley all over you. Lay your head upon my chest, and with every exhaling breath, I want you to feel secure in me, resting gently as I sing. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. If not forever, at least for tonight. So escape with me, please, as we take our leave on this ocean breeze. We'll dress ourselves in fig leaves for you, fig tree for me. Fig leaves. Melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. Truth is, the moment we met, those three little bird songs I kept. But over time, silence in my ears crept. But when I woke up this morning, the silence was gone. And once again, the three little birds song. I'm sorry that my silence has lasted so long. But I want to sing to you my promise and song. And every day that goes on, I promise in song. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.